Ciao everyone, my name is Eleonora. I'm an Italian watercolorist, and in this lesson I will teach you two different methods to paint crashing waves and a rough sea. One of the method is with masking fluid and the other one is without, so that you will be able to get the best of both worlds and judge by yourself which will be the most suitable one according to the subject that you want to paint. But in this lesson, I will teach you also some key elements of composition. We will see which are the most beautiful colors that you can use for painting a very beautiful stormy sky and a rough sea. And last but not least, I will teach you also how to make proper use of white gouache. So if you're ready to join me, let's get started.